Alright, picture this, it's 2025, you're scrolling through your phone, and you see your portfolio. You invested with StashAway a few years back. Now, the big question is, are you smiling? Or are you staring at red numbers, wondering where it all went wrong? Because let's face it, the investing landscape changes fast. What was hot yesterday might be lukewarm today. And in the world of robo-advisors, where algorithms and market trends collide, staying relevant is a constant battle. So, is StashAway still a solid choice in 2025? Let's dive in. We've seen a lot since StashAway first hit the scene. Interest rates have fluctuated, inflation has danced a wild tango, and new, shiny investment platforms have popped up left and right. The question isn't just about StashAway's algorithms anymore, it's about how well they've adapted. First, let's talk about those algorithms. Remember their focus on economic regime-based asset allocation? It sounded pretty clever, right? But how has that held up against real-world volatility? Have they been nimble enough to react to unexpected market shifts? We need to look at actual performance data, not just back-tested projections. Then, there's the competition. Robo-advisors have proliferated. We've got platforms offering fractional shares, cryptocurrency options, and even personalized ESG portfolios. StashAway, while still offering diversified portfolios, needs to demonstrate a clear edge. Are their fees still competitive? Are their features keeping pace with the evolving needs of investors? And what about the user experience? In a world dominated by intuitive apps and seamless interfaces, have they kept their platform user-friendly? Have they added features like educational resources or personalized financial planning tools? Because in 2025, just having an algorithm isn't enough. Investors want a holistic experience. We also need to consider the regulatory environment. The financial world is constantly under scrutiny, and regulations can change overnight. How has StashAway navigated these changes? Are they transparent about their compliance and security measures? Trust is paramount, especially when dealing with your hard-earned money. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, performance. Have they consistently delivered returns that justify their fees? Are they outperforming comparable benchmarks? We need to look beyond short-term fluctuations and examine long-term trends. Has their risk management strategy protected investors during market downturns? And finally, what about innovation? Are they still pushing the boundaries of robo-advisory? Are they integrating new technologies like AI and machine learning to enhance their algorithms? In a world of rapid technological advancement, stagnation is a death knell. So, is StashAway still good in 2025? The answer, as always, is nuanced. It depends on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Do your own research, compare platforms, and make an informed decision. Don't rely solely on past performance or marketing hype. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.